How to change your password on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Wattpad. So first thing, go to Wattpad. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go to the top corner again and click on this icon. Click on account settings. And now go down until you find the password option. Click on it and you will be able to change it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.